Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is the first video that I'm shooting for the year 2024. I'm really excited about today's video kasi today we're going to be changing the head unit on this car. At the same time, we're going to be changing the speakers as well. So tara, let's go. So this right here is the stock head unit nitong kotse. So ang replacement na hinahanap ko is yung touchscreen. We'll see. Titingnan natin kung makakahanap tayo ng 9-inch na Android unit or kahit yung yung OEM din na touchscreen ng Ion, yung parang 7-inch lang yata yung, if I'm not mistaken. Yun, kung makakahanap tayo ng stock na ganun, yun na lang. But for now, yan. For those of you who are following the channel and sort of following the things that I'm doing sa kotse na to, yan. Ito na yung updated look niya. Again, from carbon fiber hood last year. Yan, stock hood muna ulit. Tapos, brand new seat cover. And I really have to mention this real quick na among the upgrades or changes that I made on the car, ito yung pinaka-paborito ko na nilagay ko sa kotse. Ito. It's right here. Yan. Armrest. I spent a lot of time dito sa kotse na to driving kasi I work like an hour away from Lipa. Pag long drive, ang laking tulong yan para maging komportable yung pagmamaneho. And yun, pag hindi mo feel na gamitin yan, you can always just pull it up para hindi makasagabal. Pero yun nga, for the most part, you can just use that and rest your elbow on it. So yun, napakalaking tulong as far as driving is concerned.
A few moments later.
We are currently at Petron. I went ahead and got some gas and syempre pina-check natin yung mga gulong natin kasi we are going on a road trip. Kanina may nakita akong nagbebenta ng head unit na touchscreen for this car. Sa Santa Rosa, we are going to go to Santa Rosa. So from Lipa to Santa Rosa yung biyahe natin today. And yung nakita ko na binebentang head unit is stock din naman ng Ion, pang GLX yata na may navigation if I'm not mistaken. 7-inch which I think is going to fit perfectly dito sa panel na to. And yun, walang masyadong modification na kailangan. Plug and play lang daw according to the seller. Tas free na yung install. So yun, we are going to go on a road trip. So I'm really excited. So yan, okay na, may gas na tayo. Tires are already checked. Okay na, let's go. Kalamba area na, malapit na. The time right now is 10:10 in the morning. Mabilis lang yung biyahe. Wala namang traffic. Malapit na tayo dun sa exit. Yan, Kabuyao exit na to. So the next one would be the exit that we're going to be taking. Tapos yun, doon na yung meet up. Medyo bumagal yung flow ng traffic sa may part na to. And just like that, after siguro mga I would say 45 minutes na drive, nandito na tayo. Yan, ito yung meet up place dito sa may Starbucks sa Eton City. Okay, so what we're going to be doing next is we're going to find ayun na, nakita ko na siya. Ayan. Alright, so ito na yung seller. Alright. Nice. Okay. Layo ng biya.
Ako lang.
Marco po. Marco.
Joel po, Joel.
Ayan. Sige ho. Sakto naman siguro. Patingin nga po ng ating head unit.
Ito yung nasa kahambahay.
So ito na guys yung nabili natin na head unit, brand new. Pang iyon siya talaga. Ayan. Yan, tingin na. Ayun. Swak na swak. Ayos, yun. Before we head for home, I'll buy some lunch kasi it's already 11:15. Alright. Alright, thank you. We're back in the car. I've got my lunch and yun na, okay na yung ating head unit. So we'll go back to Lipa. Kalikutin natin to maya-maya ng konti pagbalik natin. Day 2 of the project. So yan, nakakabit na yung head unit. Pero yung speaker ko nga pala ay damaged na. In fact, yan, natanggal ko na sila. Yan. And ganyan yung itsura ng damaged na speaker. Bumili na lang ako ng bagong speaker. So ito yung nabili ko na speaker. Brand niya is Pioneer. Yan. So yan, there you go. Ito yung model number, I think. So yan. So yan, they're already preparing the wiring. Yan. Ito yung stock. Tinanggal nila yung saksakan dito. Tapos ililipat na lang doon sa kabila. There you go. Everything's been installed. Yung head unit okay na. Yung speakers on both doors naka-install na rin. Ako na yung nag-install para syempre makatipid sa labor. And one thing na I did not mention before was I added sound deadening on both doors. Yun, yung sound deadening material, what that does is it lessens the vibration para mas maging maganda yung tunog nung speakers nyo. Saka at the same time, nalilesen yung road noise pag may ganong material. So yun, I added sound deadening material on both doors, dito at saka doon. Ito, nalagyan ko din itong trunk. Kung wala pang sound deadening material yung likod nyo, pag kinatok nyo to, latang lata. And yan yung usually nagbabibrate kapag bumabiyahe kayo. So yan, ngayon medyo mas buo na yung tunog niya. Hindi na siya ganong katunog lata. Same with the front. Yan. Hindi na ganong kalata yung tunog na. Kasi I knew that I was going to go with the cheap route. Yung ano, kasi itong speaker na nabili ko is one of the most affordable na binebenta doon sa shop. Parang 1,000 isang pares na. So just to compensate, yun, nilagyan ko ng sound deadening para at least hindi naman siya ganong ka cheap sounding. So yun. Yung screen resolution acceptable na for the price. Buti na nga lang talaga nakachempo tayo ng brand new na head unit. Medyo magaling akong tumawad, so medyo mababa ko siya nakuha. And ang price nitong whole project is below 5,000. Yun, including the head unit, yung speaker, yung sound deadening. Actually kasama pa yung gas and toll ko. So yun, talagang mura ko siya nabili. So I'll be ending the vlog right here. Sana nagustuhan nyo yung video natin for today. Kung nagustuhan nyo, make sure that you hit the like button, and also please make sure that you're subscribed to my channel